Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we were trying to fit my steering wheel to the S2000. Ryan had ordered me a hub. The hub came and it said on the advertisement it was for an S2000. I think Ryan ordered it from Driftworks. So I'm assuming maybe there's a different one for an AP1 and an AP2. So anyway, it doesn't fit. We have got halfway through the video. We've got the steering wheel off and the airbag off, so that's going to be another video just when we get another hub. So like, yeah, I was halfway through that video and I can't really do much more. So I just thought we would do a video of us cleaning the dc5. I can't even do the S2000 yet because I'm still waiting on the gasket kit coming for my rocket cover. So I can't start the S2000 yet, but I'm in no rush because the S2000 isn't moving. So just thought I would do a little video with Ryan's package. Some of you may know that Ryan is sponsored by Auto Finesse. I'm not sponsored by Auto Finesse at all, but Ryan gets a care package every so often which has a few different products in it for him to try, and I do really like the Auto Finesse products. So he got a full box of stuff today. So I just thought while he got them, we would do a little video of us cleaning his car. I can't do anything else on the S2000 until I get my parts in the post. And I did get a little thing from Wish. I'm going to do a little video with some Wish products. The one I got actually isn't too bad, which I'm really surprised about, but that's another video completely. So I'm just going to jump into the video, put the footage together, and just be a little bit of a relaxing video for today. Quite got it that my hub didn't fit. I was really looking forward to getting it on the S2000 and seeing what it looked like. So it is getting a little bit later on in the day and it might actually get dark by the time I finish this video. I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad, but it's getting dark quite early. So I'm just going to get into the video, get it put together, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll just show you what the S2000 looks like now at the minute. So a little bit of a sneak peek for the video. Hopefully by the end of this week we have got everything off. And yeah, the hub doesn't fit, unfortunately. So yeah, we'll just have to wait until the other one comes. So the S2000 is just looking a little bit sorry for itself. So we also fitted Ryan's night eye LED main beam bulbs, which he's going to put on now. They're so bright. Super bright. I'll put the link below if anyone wants them. Okay, so we have just finished the dc5 and it's looking really clean. You can never really go wrong with the Auto Finesse products. I always find they're really easy to use. Like I say, I am not sponsored by Auto Finesse. I don't have to say any of this. It's just obviously my own opinion. But I do like Auto Finesse's products. They're super affordable and super easy to use. And that's what I like in a product. Also during the week we fitted Ryan's hard race camber arms and his track rod ends, which he needed so bad. So they are now in the car. So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. Like I said before, it was just a little bit of a relaxing video. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye S2000, bye bye Jordan, see you tomorrow.